Sparky Sparks here. I have new hair. Oh my goodness, another beauty. Again, I'm branching out in my colors. So this beauty is called Joy, and she is bringing me joy in the color Creamed Coffee. So I've never tried this color. It's by Envy by Alan Eaton, and beautiful wig, super soft. So let's put her on. Start on the inside. So we can see right off, we have a lace front here, all the way from about temple to temple here. Adjusters in the back, Velcro adjusters. Well, actually, these are not Velcro adjusters. These are like bra strap adjusters. Very cool, very cool. She's the right size for my head. It's a left side part, so I've lined up my lace part here with my combination wig grip or wig cap. So this is velvet. It's slippery going this way and rough going that way, in case you're wondering. So let's put our head in and see what this girl looks like. So again, this is by Envy Hair. Oh my goodness. Whew, already love some tones of red, right? So we're going to use the ear tabs to straighten around my head. Here we go, pull down the cap. And what I like to do is run my comb through first. Oh, beautiful. And pretty much just use my fingers to adjust her. Look at this pretty, I'm in front of a big window. So it's kind of afternoon sun. Gorgeous, check this hairline. So I can part her really anywhere I want. I can wear her back off of my head, and we look at the finger rule, right? 3 or 4 fingers. She's gorgeous. Look at this. So pretty. Envy, Joy in Creamed Coffee. I love, love. Lightweight, light density, not heavy on my head at all. You know how I like to tuck my ear behind like this. Let me show you the back. Just, oh, look at that swing. Love that. Let's do that again. Woo! Oh, who are you? Oh my gosh, love this. Just gorgeous. So fun for fall. Love. Would love to know your thoughts. Again, Envy. This is Joy in Creamed Coffee. Cheers.